All right, welcome to another episode of Mathematics Fanatics. Today we're talking about the application of square root equations. So we got a physics problem here, and this is our formula. And the formula, V equals the square root of 2ek over m. V is velocity. M is mass. That's not mass. Mass. And it's in kilograms. Velocity is in meters per second. And then EK is kinetic energy. And it is in joules. So the problem says, what is the kinetic energy of an object with a mass of 1,000 kilograms that is traveling 30 meters per second? So we know our velocity is 30, this is v, and we know our mass is 1,000. So we can say 30 equals the square root of 2ek over 1,000. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to square both sides. And if we square both sides, we got 900 equals 2ek over 1,000. So we got rid of the radical. Now we're going to multiply by the denominator to get rid of the fraction. So now we got 1,000 times 900, which is 9 with 5 zeros. Wait, that's one more zero. 900,000 equals 2ek, and then we'll divide by 2. And now we got 450,000 joules equals ek. So the second type of problems we have is this new formula right here. T equals 2 pi, and 2 pi is basically just a constant, a coefficient that's going to multiply times the square root of LG. T is time, and it's in seconds. L is length, and it's in meters. And G is gravity, and it's in meters per second squared. So on our problem here, it says, what is the acceleration due to gravity in a region where the simple pendulum has a length of 2.0 meters in a period of 1.79 seconds? So this is L and this is T because it gave us seconds. So we can say 1.7989 equals 2 pi, and the square root of 2 over g. Well, the first thing you got to do here is you got to get rid of the 2 pi, and it is a multiplier, so we're going to divide. So we divide this 2 pi away and put it here. So now we got 1.7989 over 2 pi equals the square root of 2 over g. Well, to get rid of the square root, we're going to square both sides. So now we got 1.7989 over 2 pi squared equals 2 over g. And the simplest thing to do whenever you have a variable in the denominator is we switch these two things. So g is going to come to this side, and it's going to be 2 over 1.7989 over 2 pi squared. Now, when you put this into the calculator, you cannot put 1.7989 divided by 2 pi. That will not work. You must put it in as a fraction. You must put it in as a fraction. And that's how you solve application problems.